Are you growing your hair out too? Are you growing your bangs out more specifically? And are they in that weird freaking stage where they're just flat? Well, I came across this video and it has changed my bangs game forever. It has elevated them and not made me want to chop them off again. It's so simple, but I do recommend practicing with the flat iron being off, just so you don't, makes me nervous just thinking about it, fry your hair off by practicing. You take your flat iron, turn it vertical, and then you just go towards the back of your head, and boom, you have created the cutest long bang, and it's not gonna make you wanna chop them off. And it looks so cute with short hair. Doing the non-dominant side is a little spooky, I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared just watching this right now, and I can see the panic on my face, but watch this. Boom. Foolproof every time. And how cute is this? And you can go back through, kind of straighten it a little bit so it's not too curled and so it flows with the rest of the hair. Now I do like, the whole just curtain bang thing, but I also like to go through sometimes around the bangs, like behind the bangs, and just do that same maneuver just to make it a little bit more uniform and have the hair flow much better than just a chunk of bang, but it's up to you. But watch how this elevates this. So you just take it vertical and then towards the back of the head, boom, look at that. It elevated my head of hair like, oh my gosh, it's like I just fell from heaven. So glad I came across this hack. You guys have to try it. If you do, let me know. Once you get the hang of it, it will absolutely change your life and you won't hate your bangs growing out, and we can get through this together.
All right.